Several years ago, I was leading a team meeting in front of a CEO of the business unit of a bank. When my boss asked about our quarterly OKRs, I've been tracking KPIs for years. So I started rattling them off. Conversion rates, sales numbers, customer satisfaction scores. The awkward silence that followed still haunts me. Turns out I'd completely missed the mark. Many people, like me, don't know what is the difference between KPIs and OKRs. In this video, I'm going to clear up this confusion once and for all. You'll not only understand the difference between KPIs and OKRs, but you'll know exactly when and how to use each one. Think of it like this. When you drive a car, KPIs are like your speedometer and fuel gauge. They tell you how fast you're going and if you have enough gas. OKRs are like your GPS. They set the destination, chart the route, and then track how you're getting there. KPI stands for Key Performance Indicators. Think of KPIs as your dashboard metrics, the numbers that tell you if your business is healthy right now. They are the vital signs of your organization. For an e-commerce company, the KPIs can be conversion rate, the percentage of visitors who made a purchase, average order value, how much customers spend per transaction, customer acquisition cost, how much do we pay to get a new customer. These numbers tell us if our business was performing well today. If conversion rates dropped suddenly, we knew something was wrong with our website or our offers. If customer acquisition costs spiked, our marketing needed adjustment. KPIs are specific measurable metrics that reflect your current performance. They answer the question, how are we doing right now? OKRs, on the other hand, stands for objectives and key results. Unlike KPIs, which monitor current health or current performance, OKRs are about creating change and improvement. They are forward-looking and ambitious as against KPIs that monitor existing health. An objective is a clear, inspiring goal, the destination you want to reach. Key results are the specific measurable milestones that tell you if you're making progress towards that objective. Here's an OKR example from when we wanted to improve our customer experience. The objective is create a seamless shopping experience in our industry. The key results: reduce checkout time from 3 minutes to under 60 seconds. Decrease cart abandonment rate from 35% to below 20%. Increase our net promoter score from 32 to 60. While our KPIs were tracking our business as usual, our OKRs were pushing us to transform our business. Now here's where people get really confused. Sometimes a metric can appear in both, but they serve different purposes. For instance, our cart abandonment rate might be a KPI you regularly monitor to ensure site health, or part of an OKR when you're specifically focusing on improving it. The key distinction: KPIs monitor and maintain current performance, while OKRs drive future change. So when should you use each one? Use KPIs when you need to monitor ongoing business health, identify problems quickly, maintain consistency in core metrics, make data-driven operational decisions. Use OKRs when you want to drive significant improvement or change, align your entire team across common goals, push beyond business as usual thinking, and create focus on your most important priorities. Here's a mistake I see all the time. Companies setting up 20 to 30 KPIs and expecting them all to improve. That's like watching 30 gauges at once while driving. It's impossible and dangerous. Instead, use KPIs as a diagnosis tool to monitor overall health, but just select a few areas for focused improvement through OKR. So track about 15 KPIs regularly, but only set 3 or 4 company-wide OKRs each quarter. Another common mistake: creating OKRs that are too safe. Remember, OKRs should make you a little uncomfortable. Google famously aims to achieve about 70% of their ambitious OKRs. If you're hitting 100% of them, you're not dreaming big enough. I learned this the hard way. In my first attempt at setting OKRs, I basically took our existing KPI targets and called them key results. My team hit every target, but we didn't actually transform anything. We just did what we were already doing. The next quarter, we truly set ambitious OKRs that required us to rethink our entire way of working. And that's when we saw breakthrough results. Here's a simple framework I like to share with you today. For KPIs, what metrics indicate our business is healthy? What numbers would trigger immediate action if changed? What do we need to consistently monitor? For OKRs, what change would meaningfully transform our business this quarter? If we could improve 3 or 4 things, what could create the biggest impact? What would success look like if we were really ambitious? Imagine you're running a software as a service business. Your KPIs might include monthly recurring revenue, customer churn rate, and cost of customer acquisition. Your objective might be become the stickiest product in our category. And the key results to get to that objective and measure that objective could be increase daily active users from 22% to 60% of total users. Reduce time to value for new users from 14 days to 2 days. And increase feature adoption from an average of 2 features to 5 features per user. So how do these work together? Your KPIs tell you if your business is healthy day to day, while our OKRs drive the transformational improvements that we absolutely need to make happen in our organization. One last story, and this is very close to what I do today. When I began my startup, teams that I worked with were working incredibly hard, but mostly on their own priorities. Our KPIs looked good individually, but we weren't making progress on our biggest company challenges. Implementing OKRs changed everything. One book that helped me with that is called Radical Focus by Christina Wadke. Because of that, we suddenly had alignment, focus, and a way to track progress. Our KPIs still kept us informed about business health, but OKRs transformed how we work together. What about you? Are you using KPIs, OKRs, or both in your organization? Drop a comment in the comments window and share with us your biggest challenge with either one of these, and I'll share some tips in my next video. Thanks for watching, and remember, KPIs keep your business running smoothly today. OKRs transform it for tomorrow. Use both wisely and you will be unstoppable. If you like this video, click the like button and hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time.